spray the starting fluid, and by removing these two bolts, number 10, and also the three bolts, and then I'm going to spray into the carburetor and see if I can start. I remove this long bolts that this I guess some kind of dust filter, so I can get to the carburetor here. So there's one long bolt, two long bolts there. That's how I was able to get to this this here. And you can see by turn the handle. Yeah, this is the choke. So this is the choke that controls this. You see, it's in the back here. It's because I don't have. I'll show you what they look like. This is the long bolts that was supposed to go in here. I removed it, so so you don't see it, but it actually go like this, and this thing, and then going down to the back to lock the carburetor to the exhaust. So I remove this, and also this dust filter, and I'm going to spray. Well, I'm going to push the choke back in, and then I'm going to spray something. Spray their starting fluid. So here is the starting fluid. I'm going to spray it into the carburetor and see if it's going to start. Oh yeah, started the motor. Nice. The motor started, and the was very strong. But then it was just like that. Probably the pump need to be fixed. Yeah. It's good. The motor started and the water just shut out. So it's good. Probably the air pump and the carburetor need to be cleaned. So that's what I'm gonna do.